Hello friends, in this video I'm going to work with update post. So for that, in the PHP storm I have created this post update test, and right now has an empty test here. So first we are going to test if the route exists for updating a post, and here we need the user and a post created by this user. So I'm going to copy this one here and paste it down there. So we have a post. Now I'm going to say $sign this and acting as this user input and slash posts slash the post ID. And here I'm going to say the assert status is 200 for that. And if I test, so it's going to fail because we don't have that route. So expected 200 but received 404. Let's go and create the route. I'm going to copy this and duplicate, remove the edit, and this is going to be put. Okay, so put the post, also the method, and the name is going to be update. Good. Now if I make a test again, we don't have this update in the post controller, so we're going to fail. It's going to fail. And yeah, method update does not exist in the post controller, so let's go and create that post controller and create a new method, public function update. We expect the request here, $request, and also the post, $post. And I'm going to say first add the authorized, and after that I'm going to update the post. So $post update, and let's say the request auth. And after that we need to return, and we are in the Laravel 9, so return to the route, and the route is post.index. Now with that we need to change in the post update test, because when we make a put request we are going to see assert 302 because it's going to redirect, or we can say assert redirect and add the URL, which is post, and make a test now and pass. We can check also if we are unauthenticated, it's going to return back, but it's almost the same as we have in the post edit. So redirect unauthenticated user. And if I copy this and paste it here, this get, but say it's put and assert status show 302. Yeah, passed. Let's validate now so here when we create this we have the same thing. I'm just going to copy this one and paste it here, and after that I say $validated. Okay, and create a Now in here, create a new test. It validates the post details and create a closure. Okay. What we need here, we need a user and a post. So let's go here and paste that in. And I'm going to say $this acting as $this user and put here we need the slash post and slash add the post ID. And the details here. So let's add the title to be new title or not, just add this and we are going to check for all the assertions. So here I'm going to say assert that the session has errors and errors for the title, body and status. And if I make a test, we have a failure. Redirect to the post. Yeah, because now we validate all the things. So when we go there, we need to add the data. So let's say here, title to be new title and body to be new body. And the last one is status, let's say to be published. And if I run a test, it's going to pass. Okay. So also it's going to pass for this validation. And now we make a test for the existing route, make a test for the unauthenticated user and validate the post details. Now is the same thing if we say if we own the post, so it's the same thing as we have here. So I'm not going to do, just copy and so let's do it together. If I paste here, abort if the user does not own the post. So first create the post with this user and instead of get, we are going to say put. And we expect to be okay. The last one is going to be if we can update the post. So it can update the post and make closure. And what we need here, we need almost the same thing we have here. In the first, we create a new post and I'm going to make something like this to look more nice. So create a new post and update that. So let's copy this. But also I'm going to check now if we have in the database this new title instead of just the assert redirect. So say $this assert the database has, and inside the posts we need to have the title, which is going to be the new title, in new title and the body is new body. Also the status is pending. So this date and the status is published, sorry. And if I make a test, everything passed. And also I'm going to add it here, the ID, which is going to be the post ID. So the last sign post ID. So is this post here. Okay, if it's exactly that one, and make a test, and everything passed. Okay friends, that is for this video, and I think we are okay with this testing for beginners. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next one. All the best, friends.